How to fix not receiving messages on Facebook Messenger app. In order to fix not receiving messages on Facebook Messenger app, you could try following some of these steps. First thing first, the potential issue might be your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. In order to check it out, you could go to the settings and then go to network and internet. And here, if you're connected to either Wi-Fi or maybe a cellular data, you could try restarting or disconnecting it, and then you could just reconnect it. That could be able to fix the issue as well. If that doesn't seem to be working out, sometimes outdated version can also lead to this sort of issue. You want to go to your respective app store. On the search box, you want to type in Messenger and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the app needs to be updated, click the update button and wait for it, after which you go and log in and see whether the issue has been fixed or not. If nothing seems to be working out, you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. So for that, you want to go ahead and make sure to long press the Messenger application. Go to this I button. Next, you want to click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. Clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so leave it as it is. You will also want to do is go to permission from the app info section. Make sure to enable all of these permission as well. And at the same time, go to notification and see whether you've enabled or disabled notification as well. Make sure to enable notification for all of these, and after doing this, you should be able to fix the issue as well. Despite of doing all of these methods, you're still unable to fix it, or you're still unable to receive messages on Facebook Messenger, you could try reinstalling the application, restarting your device by tapping onto your side buttons, and then you could go ahead and restart the application. That could be able to fix as well. And at the same time, what happens is that if the other person has actually blocked you, or if you've actually blocked the sender or the receiver, then it could be a potential reason why you're unable to receive the message. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could go ahead and reach out to the support team. They will be able to look into your matter. So that's the way you could fix not receiving message on Facebook Messenger app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.